Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Lyst application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. Then click on the help and FAQs button. And here you can see the platform. So you can either search for any kind of type of help you want, or you can just look for it. So like if you click on where is my order, then you will get all the information where you can contact with the application and how they can help you with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.